A very good morning to all my dear students. So I hope all of you have given your tests. Okay, you all have finished with your unit tests. So now we'll continue with our chapter mensuration, which we have already started. So in that chapter we have started actually perimeter. Okay, so we have learned about the perimeter and we have solved one complete exercise on finding the perimeter of specially rectangle and square. Now we're going to deal with the new topic, which is area. Now what do you mean by area? First of all, let's just understand that. So the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. यानी कि किसी भी फिगर के अंदर का जो एरिया रहता है, अब सरफेस है, that is called area. Now you can see I have drawn three figures over here, three different figures. This is a figure of a leaf. This is a star. I have tried to draw it. This is a rectangle. So I have shaded it with blue color. So the area which is shaded, the surface which is shaded with the blue color is the area. So the shaded part in all the three figures is called their area. This is the area of this figure, this is area of this figure, and this is area of the given rectangle. Okay, so this is the definition of area. Now we are going to study the formulae for calculating area. You all have learned the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. They were having a definite formula for calculating their total length of the boundary. Similarly, if you want to calculate what is the amount of this surface, how much is this area, you have a particular formula. So first of all, rectangle is having two dimensions. Length, longer side is called length and the shorter side is called breadth. So when you are calculating its area, area will be length into breadth. We are writing length by L and breadth by B. So the area will be L into B. Okay, so this way you can write area is equal to L into B. Then you have next figure as square. You can see in square all the four sides are equal and its area is given by side into side, which you can also write it as side square. Okay, so this is the formula for side into side is the area for square and length into breadth is the area for rectangle. And you have to remember that in perimeter units आपकी same रहती थी. If length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, so their perimeter will be in centimeter because there you are adding, and centimeter plus centimeter will give you centimeters. But when it comes to area, the area unit for area is square units. Anything it's square you have to take. For example, meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, and whatever distance is given to you, millimeter, decimeter, it's square you have to take. Okay, because it is coming two times. यहाँ पर आपको side centimeter में दी होगी, so centimeter into centimeter will give you centimeter square. So this way you have to learn the two formulae. Now we'll solve the sums. So let's start the first. Okay, exercise 10.2 I'm skipping now because I'm going to explain that exercise in online class. Okay, with the help of presentation, presenting the screen. But now we are going to do exercise 10.3. So the first question is find the area of a rectangle. The dimensions of the rectangle are given to you in question. You have to find the area. And since it is having two different dimensions, so it is obviously a rectangle. अगर same होती तो square होता. Now you can understand that the longer side is length and the shorter side is breadth. तो आप पहले लिखेंगे that length is equal to 4 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. And don't forget to write this formula all the time. Okay, area is equal to L into B, and then just put the value 4 into 3, and 4 3s are 12. So area will be 12 centimeter square. So this way. Then few parts you have to do by your own. Then D part I have done 2 meter and 70 centimeter. You can see that in this, मैंने आपको perimeter में बताया था, before solving or before putting it in the formula, you have to check one thing, whether the all the length or all the dimensions should be given in the same unit. Now here you know this is meter, so this is the bigger unit. So this is 2 meter, length is 2 meter and breadth is 70 centimeter. अब आप इसे directly multiply नहीं कर सकते because the units are not same. So first you will make them same. So 2 meter will become 200 centimeter. Now you know the conversion. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will become 2 into 100, which is 200 centimeter. Now this is in centimeter, this is in centimeter. Now you can use the formula, which is length into breadth. So 200 into 70, which will give you 14,000 centimeter square. You can leave your answer here also, और since length was given in 2 meters, so आप इसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं मीटर स्क्वायर में. नाउ मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 100 इंटू 100. वाई? बिकॉज आपके पास यहाँ पर 2 सेंटीमीटर है, और अगर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो यू डिवाइड इट बाय 100. इफ यू आर कन्वर्टिंग 2 सेंटीमीटर्स इन 2 मीटर, तो आपको 2 टाइम्स यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 100. सो इट विल बी 1.4. सो यू कैन सी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन हियर. Okay, so this you can just have a look. 14,000 divided by 100 into 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 14 upon 10 will remain, which will give you 1.4 meter square. So I hope all of you have understood. And now we'll see the second question, which is find the area of squares. You know, in square all the 4 sides are equal, और आपकी side जो है वो 10 centimeter है. So first you will write the formula. Area is equal to side into side, which is 10 into 10. So it will be 100 centimeter square. And as I told you, don't forget to put the units. Units will be centimeter square. Instead of centimeter, आपका centimeter square बनेगा. Similarly, B part is side is 14 centimeter. So its area will be side into side, which will give you 14 into 14, which will give you 196 centimeter square. So I hope all of you have understood the 2 questions and the formula for area of square and rectangle. So your homework, I'm not taking so many sums today. So you all have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 10.3. So that's all for today, and we'll continue tomorrow. So thank you and have a nice day everyone.